Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have the Logitech K230. This is a wireless keyboard from Logitech, and keep in mind, this is not a Bluetooth keyboard, it's just a normal wireless keyboard with a dongle. So this is how the packaging comes from Amazon. So it's just comes wrapped in plastic. So let's unbox it now. Now, right there. So now we have our keyboard box out of all the packaging, and let's take a look around the box, shall we? So down here we can see, oh, it's just the K230. I thought it was the MK230. Anyways, this is the Logitech K230, and it says on the box over here, this is 24 months of battery life, so that's 2 years. And this is how the keyboard looks. So from what I've heard, this battery cover is changeable. Now if you look down the back, the contents that are included are, yeah, exactly, the battery covers, the keyboard itself, 2 batteries, paperwork, and a dongle. You will either need Windows 10 or later, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP. It'll work with anything. Or Chrome OS, Linux, and you'll also need a USB port. It's got 3-year limited hardware warranty, and yeah, that's about it. So right on the back, the price of this is $10.95, but I found it on Amazon for I think 850 rupees. I'll drop a link down below in the description. If you want, you can buy that. Compact space-saving design, Logitech advanced 2.4 gigahertz wireless fast data transmission with no delays or dropouts. Power up for years with 24 months of battery life, and a sleek style with colorful battery covers. I think this is blocking that. Oh, hello there. There's no seal on. Oh, there is a seal on it. Whoops. So now let's open this up. Right. So let's open this up for the very first time. Oh, hello there. I can already see something waiting for me to open it. Oh, this is very nice. Alright, so inside the box we have the keyboard itself. Take that out. Yeah, that's a hefty keyboard. That's got some weight to it. And it's pretty thin. That's odd. It feels massive. Alright, now down here we have the exchangeable battery covers. We have a pink and a blue. And we also have the USB dongle, which is right down here. Pretty nice addition for them to include. I mean, of course they have to include it, but yeah, USB. And here we have the paperwork along with instructions. K320 space saving wireless keyboard. Plug, remove that. Then, oh yeah, the arrow right here. Remove the arrow. I remove the battery thing and then open that up. Alright, so put the box aside and show you all the contents of the box in its full form. So now I have all the contents laid out. Let's open up the keyboard. Oh, that feels nice. It's a membrane keyboard. It's nothing special. It's not a gaming keyboard or anything. Let's just try that out. That feels very tactile actually for a membrane keyboard. That feels pretty nice. I like this. So now I have to, how do I open this, by the way? Pull it open. If I do that, then it should turn on the keyboard, right? Is there any, oh, you have to, okay, right, I figured out how to remove that. So you have to slide that down and then it'll come off. Let's try out the pink one. That looks nice. And lastly, oh, did that turn on? Yes, that did. Lastly, the blue one. Maybe in the future I might spray paint one of these and get a custom color, so I don't know, might do that. This is a good way of customizing the keyboard to your liking. Now let us test it out by connecting it to the computer and doing a small keyboard test. Let's do that right now. Now let us look at some of the features of this keyboard. Now, like I said before, here we have the battery cover, which is replaceable. We have two other colors like this pink and this white. I personally prefer the blue, so I'm going to keep the blue on. The keys are normal, but it actually isn't a complete full-size keyboard because the arrow keys are not in their own sector over here. This is a shortened version, just like many other laptop keyboards out there. This is where the number pad is, and even some of the functions, you have to press function to get to some of them, like the option key and even the scroll lock, pause, and print screen. Now that's all right. On the back, we don't have anything much, just these adjustable angle pressed thingies. So you can bring it up at an angle, makes it easier to type perhaps, but I kind of like it the normal way. Now we don't have any on-off switch and stays on all the time. That's okay. I can just change the AAA batteries every once in a while. This right over here is to store the dongle when you are traveling. It's pretty thoughtful of them to include one of these because people often underestimate how important these can be. Let's try getting that in there. Sorry for doing this, but yep, right there, it fit, luckily. Pretty good. Now let's move on to the typing test and the key test. I now have the keyboard put onto the desk along with my Portronic stored mouse, and I want to plug it into my laptop. Now most of my USB ports are occupied. I mean, I have 3 out of them, 2 of them work and 1 is occupied by the hard drive. So now I'm going to plug in both the dongles into this USB hub. Let's plug it in now. As you can see, I have the key tester open right there, and we also have 10 fast fingers open for the typing test. So now I've plugged in both the keyboard and the mouse. It works. Let me bring the view to the keyboard and let's start testing the keys. Right, we don't have the option on this keyboard at all, and nor do we have the extra alt. Yeah, we don't have the option thing. So the arrows work here. Okay, we don't have that. Space, control, Windows, sorry, and alt. We don't. Function is not there on that, but that's all right. Scroll lock, print screen, pause, break. Well, yeah, you should press function. Print screen works. Pause, break works. Right. This button right here brings up the options. So you press function and you press this button. And lastly, scroll lock up there. I'm just gonna turn that off and close this. This feels very weird. Okay, allow selection. Let's try doing a typing test now. It's pretty slow, so my usual speed is about 65 to 70 words per minute. This is a little slow. First of all, I was making a lot of mistakes because of the caps lock key was on, and then even the keys. I mean, I still need to get used to them, but for now they're pretty good. I still do need to get used to them though. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you again in another video. Goodbye. So here I am 2 weeks later with this keyboard, and I have not noticed any issues till now. And I changed this battery cover to the blue one for a little while, and then I just changed it back to the white one because it looks clean. The keys are very nice and tactile. I like them even though they're just a membrane switch. It's very low profile as well. It is not very loud Either it's very quiet. I mean, I'm putting my phone really close to this, but uh, in normal day-to-day use, you won't really hear the noise, and it isn't that annoying. Gaming-wise, it's really nice. I've been playing Minecraft with this for a while. The responsiveness of the keys are good. I mean, I don't really do any esports because this laptop can't really handle any of that. But for what I do, this keyboard is perfectly fine. Typing, I have not gotten to my full speed yet. I still need to get used to it, and I keep accidentally hitting the plus button or this slash button instead of the backspace or enter key. I mean, I'll just have to get used to it a little more, but it's very nice.